Hello friends, thank you. I am so glad you're asking questions with this new beginners playlist. You know you guys are my fave to teach. And I just did the welcome to the new beginners playlist and I got so many questions about cleaning your brush. So I wanted to go through that really quickly with you. These are my brushes from my subscription box, by the way. So you're using your brush. You've got lots of paint in there. There we go. We're painting our flower. And now what you want to make sure is always wash your brush. Really stir it around in there. So now it's washed off. Next, you're going to rinse it in nice clean water. And I keep rubbing it off on a paper towel till it's clear. Now, that's all you need to do. And then shape it back, this one into a point, set it down, let it dry. You don't want to put it this way because all of that paint and water will settle down into the ferrule and immediately ruin your brush. Make sure to, here's my angle brush, wash, rinse, and now shape it back into whatever shape it's supposed to be. Set it down, let it dry. The other thing you can do is occasionally, once a month, there's this Masters Brush Cleaner and Preservative. This lasts forever, guys. I bought this so long ago. If your brush seems to be really extra dirty, just swirl it around a bit in here. And it's got that nice coating on it. Now wash it really good, preferably in warm water. Rinse it, wipe it off. Your brush will be pristine, you guys. And if you do something like this with all of your brushes are going to be so nice. They are going to last forever. I've had brushes for years and years, decades actually. And because I take care of them, I shape them, I clean them once a month, and I let them dry laying down like that, they last forever. So make sure and give your brushes some love, and I hope that answers all your questions. I'll see you soon.